With inflation rising, many retirees are feeling the pressure as their retirement savings lose purchasing power. If you're looking for ways to safeguard your retirement portfolio and protect your wealth from inflation, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies to help you shield your nest egg from the impacts of inflation. And I'll show you why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs as one of the most effective solutions. If you're serious about securing your retirement and you've got at least $100K or more in your IRA, 401K, or even $5 million in savings, I highly recommend checking the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide that thousands of retirees are using to protect their wealth. More on that later. Now, let's dive into some ways you can safeguard your portfolio from inflation. One of the most effective ways to combat inflation is through diversification. Inflation tends to affect different assets in different ways, so spreading your investments across multiple asset classes can help protect your wealth. Stocks, bonds, and real estate can provide some protection, but historically, they haven't been as strong during inflationary periods. This is where a gold IRA stands out. Gold has historically been a safe haven asset during times of high inflation. By adding gold to your retirement portfolio, you're adding a hedge that has proven its ability to hold value even when the dollar's purchasing power declines. Another key strategy is to focus on inflation-protected securities. U.S. Treasury. Inflation-protected securities, TIPS, are a good example. These are bonds backed by the U.S. government, and their value adjusts with inflation. While they can provide some protection, they aren't as resilient as gold during high inflation periods, especially when the U.S. dollar weakens. A gold IRA offers more reliability as gold has maintained its value across centuries and outperformed most other investments during periods of significant inflation. You also want to consider adjusting your portfolio regularly, especially as inflation accelerates. Stocks can be volatile, and when inflation rises, market sentiment often takes a hit, causing stock prices to fluctuate. Bonds, particularly long-term ones, can lose value as interest rates rise to combat inflation. In these scenarios, gold tends to perform better, making it a smart choice for those looking to hedge against market volatility. So, while you may want to keep a portion of your portfolio in stocks, bonds, and other traditional assets, the truth is that a gold IRA gives you a tangible, stable asset that has proven its value over time. The beauty of gold IRAs is that they allow you to invest in physical gold held in a secure depository while still enjoying the tax benefits of retirement accounts. Now, if you're still relying solely on traditional assets like stocks or bonds to protect your wealth from inflation, you're missing out on one of the most effective tools available. Many retirees are discovering that adding gold to their retirement strategy provides both safety and growth potential. So, if you have at least $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, it might be time to look into opening a gold IRA. Before you go, make sure to grab your free guide by clicking the link in the description. It's packed with insider tips on how to safeguard your retirement and why so many retirees are turning to gold IRAs to protect their wealth from inflation. If you're serious about securing your financial future in the next 2 weeks, you won't want to miss this. Remember, safeguarding your portfolio from inflation doesn't have to be complicated. By adding a gold IRA to your retirement strategy, you're making a move that stood the test of time. Take action today and ensure your wealth is protected, no matter what inflation throws your way.